What's something people don't know about car maintenance? The oil you choose can make or break your engine. First up we have Mobil 1, it's the top pick for performance, keeps your engine super clean and running smooth. Next, Castrol GTX, it's perfect for high mileage cars, protects against sludge and wear. Now for all the synthetic lovers there's Valvoline Full Synthetic, it's a pro at cold starts and high temps. Lastly, Pennzoil Platinum, this one's great for fuel efficiency and keeping that engine young. So whether you're cruising or racing there's an oil for every car. Keep your engine happy and hit that subscribe for more tips.